Hello everyone, I am Mushtaq Hussain. Now in this video I am going to show you how to use Google Meet. So first of all you can go to meet.google.com. After that if you are going to join a meeting, then you can enter the code and you can join the meeting, or you can start a meeting. But if you start a meeting directly, you will not be able to share the documents with your participants. So instead, what you can do is whenever you schedule a video meeting on Google Meet, so you can use this option, that is schedule a video meeting from Google Calendar. So here I go to Google Calendar, then you can see, so you can give the title to your meeting, for example this team meeting. Then I'm not going to change any date or time. So after that, if you want, you can add the guest. So for example, I'm just adding one guest over here. Then what you can do is you can click on to add attachment. So I'll just add couple of documents from my desktop. So for example, I'm adding one Word file and one PDF file. So here I select these two files. So here you can see them. Now once this is done, then you can click on to save button. So in future I might make some changes in terms of guest list, or maybe I might add some file, so I'm not going to send it directly. So this is how I save it. Now once you click on to team meeting, so it will take you to this page where you can join the Google Meet. So I click on to Google Meet. So here I am sharing my camera. So this is how you can schedule a meeting. Now once you schedule a meeting, then you can click on to join now. So here you can see some of the important features of Google Meet. So first one is team meeting. So initially it was completely blank, but when we share any document with the participants, so you can see the attachments over here. So I added two attachments, so you can see over here. Then this is the meeting details, like if you click on to this ID, then you can join any meeting. And if you click on to attachment, so these are the attachments which I added some time back. So this is how, like, these are the documents which can be shared with your participants in the meeting. So this is one option. Now right now once you join any Google Meet, so your mic as well as camera will turn on. So if you want to put it off, you can use these two options. Now this is to leave a video meeting. Then next one is turn on captions. So if you turn on the captions, so you can see real-time captions appearing on your screen. Now we have discussed about say screen share. So instead of using screen share, you can use present now. So this present now option is nothing but screen share option. So here you will be getting three options. So share your entire screen, or present your entire screen, present your current window, or present your current Google Chrome or Chrome tab. Right now I am using Chrome tab, so you can see Chrome tab. So if I use a Safari tab, so it will show a Safari tab. So this is how you can share your screen or present. After that, here you can see these two options. So if you click on to this, so you can see the participants. So right now I am the only participant. Then if you want to chat with the members, you can chat over here. So here you can type. So this is how you can chat and you can see the participant. Now most importantly, so here are some of the features or options we have in Google Meet. So first of all, we can change the layout. So we have these a couple of layout formats. So we have got auto format, then sidebar, spotlight, and tile. So this is how we can change the layout. After this, we can go to full screen. Then we can turn on captions. Then in setting, you will find setting for general setting, audio setting, and video setting. So this is what you can do in setting. Then if you encounter any problem, so you can report a problem, you can report abuse if you face any, and you can ask for the help. Now let me take you through setting. So as I told you, you can see audio setting, then video setting and general setting. So in terms of video setting, so if you want say high quality, say a high definition video camera, so you can select to HD camera and you will get that. So this is how you can see the difference between previous camera and this camera, so you get HD quality. So this is how you can use these a couple of options from setting. So this is what we have in Google Meet. So it is very simple. You can share the documents, you can present your screen, then yeah, you can get number of participants over here. Then once you are done with your meeting, then you can click on to leave call. So this is how we can use uh, we can use we can use this Google Meet. So I am coming back to home screen again. So here